Hello everybody, welcome to Selenium training. Today we will be talking about Xpaths. What Xpaths are, how they are used, why they are important, and how Selenium can work with Xpaths. Fine. So in order to work with Xpaths, first you need to understand what an Xpath is. On my website or on any web-based application, for example, I move over to the site gmail.com. Okay, on this site there will be various objects. There is a button, there is a text field, there is a link, there is an image. Everything on the page, on this page, is having a unique ID or unique path. Okay, that path is known as an XPath. It's just something like a house number. Okay, every house has a unique house number. Tomorrow you can break that house and remake that house, but the house number will remain the same. So tomorrow this sign in button is replaced by another, say, green color button sign in. A sign in button whose color has changed. Say it's a green color button tomorrow. So the XPath will remain the same. So what Selenium does, it uses XPaths to identify the objects. Okay. There are other ways to identify the objects in Selenium as well, but XPaths are quite famous. XPath is a unique path to the element. I will tell in detail how that XPath is formed. Before that, you need to download an add-on into your Mozilla known as Firebug. With the help of that, you can determine the XPath or the address of every element. So you go to Google and type Firebug. Go to getfirebug.com, the first search result, and Firebug only installs in Mozilla. So make sure that you are doing it in Mozilla. It installs as an add-on in Mozilla. Click on install Firebug, and on the next page, it's a little bit slow. Okay, let it open. Right, out here click on this icon and this will be get the latest version. 1.8 is the latest one today. Okay, click on allow and this will get installed. It will just take a little bit of time and it will be installed on your Mozilla as a add-on. Now if after it's installed you need to restart your Mozilla. Okay, you click on restart now and Mozilla Firefox will be restarted and it will be having a Firebug in it. How do you come to know? You click on tools, there will be option called Firebug coming over here. You go to open Firebug and a window like this will open below. You click on this small mouse icon out here. When you click on it and move your mouse, okay, so it gives you property or the code for every object. For example, I move my mouse over the text. This will highlight it inside the HTML code. This is something like similar to object_spy in Qtp. Okay, but you have to install another add-on which is on top of Firebug. Okay, you see this tabs. Okay, console HTML CSS script. I will install an add-on called Firepath, through which you will be able to get the XPath of the elements. Right now I am not able to get the XPaths. I'll tell you how the XPaths are. First, to install an add-on called Firepath, you click on this link and click on download now for Firepath. So this will install another add-on on top of Firebug. First install Firebug, then install Firepath. Fine. Once Firepath is done, just restart. And now if you open your Firebug, you will have an option called Firepath over here. Okay, you click on this mouse and this mouse icon and move your mouse over any element. Okay, let me close this and open it again. Yeah, you see that now I am getting something known as an XPath over here. This is an XPath. This is a unique path of any element on the page. For example, I move my mouse over about Mozilla link. Okay, so this is the XPath of that link. Suppose I go to gmail.com and out here I have a username and password field. If you open Firebug and go to username field, okay, out here you will see that the ID is email. This is the XPath. Later on we'll see what an ID is, how it is relevant, okay, but XPath is something which is unique for every element, and Selenium actually uses XPath to identify elements. If I have to write in this text field, I can see this text field, I can write in it, but Selenium will actually see this text field with the help of this XPath. Okay, so this is how you find XPaths in Selenium.